Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the if function in Excel using simple and practical examples. The if function is used to check a condition and return different results based on that condition. In the first example, we have student marks. First, I calculate the percentage. Then I apply if conditions. If the percentage is less than 40, the result is fail. If it is 40 or more but less than 60, it is good. If it is 60 or more but less than 80, it is excellent. And if it is 80 or more, it is outstanding. In the second example, we have target and achieved values. I calculate the achievement percentage. If the percentage is 90% or more, the employee is eligible for bonus. Otherwise, the result is no bonus. In the third example, we have student attendance. I calculate the attendance percentage. If it is less than 50%, the student is less punctual. If it is between 50 and 80%, it is good punctual. And if it is 80% or more, it is more punctual. In the fourth example, we calculate customer discount. If the purchase amount is greater than 5,000, the discount is yes. Otherwise, it is no. Then based on that, a 20% discount is applied to calculate the final price. In the fifth example, we work with seed types. If the seed type is hybrid, the area is placed in the hybrid column. If it is conventional, it goes to the conventional column. And if it is others, it goes to the others column. Otherwise, the value remains 0. This is how the if function can be used in different real-life scenarios. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials.